Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK19 CS 1052. In this class, we're going to see about implementation of binary search. Binary search is a method to find the required element in a sorted array by repeatedly having the array and searching in the half. In this method, done by starting with the whole array, then it's hard. If the required data value is greater than the element at the middle of the array, then upper half of the array is considered. Otherwise, the lower half is considered. This is done continuously until either the required data value is obtained or the remaining array is empty. In this program, I use C++ compiler in online GDB. As include iostream.h, as include the studio.h using namespace std and int name. Int object I use count and I array of 30 numbers and number, first number, last number and middle value, and see how to enter the number of elements you want to enter, and scene we enter that numbers, and this I use for loop. In this for loop, for I is equal to 0 and I is less than that count we given value and I plus plus. In cout we enter that number, that is I plus, we have to enter I plus 1, that I is the value, and see in array of I. In this all finish means you have to enter cout, enter the number that you want to search, and see in we enter that number, and I give first is equal to 0 and last is equal to count minus 1, and middle value if you want means first plus last divided by 2, and using while loop. In this while loop, that first is less than or equal to last means if that array of middle value is less than num and first is equal to middle plus 1, that means first means first is equal to middle plus 1 it will come, and else if array of middle value is equal to that number means it will come enter element is found in an array at that location, that middle value plus 1 it will give, and break that loop, and else last is equal to middle minus 1 means middle is equal to first plus last divided by 2, we will find that middle value, and if that first element is greater than the last element means it is not found that array in that location. Okay, now I run this program. Okay, and then number of elements you want to enter, 5, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 7. Enter the number that you want to search. Which number will you search in? 2. The 2 not found in array. Wait. Again I run. Again I run that program. You see, enter number 1 4 3 5 2 1 and enter the number I want to search 5, and that 5 is found in the array at the location of 3. See, 5 is in the location of 3, and again I run this program. For you want to rank 4 3 2 4, I give 9. So 9 is not found in that array. This is my program. Thank you for watching. Be safe.